Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Young Earth Creationism. So, it teaches that God created the heavens and the earth in a relatively short time frame, emphasizing His power, wisdom, and intentional design. Whether one believes in a young or old earth, Scripture affirms that God is the sovereign creator who speaks world into existence. His creation reflects His glory, His order, and His generosity toward humanity. Everything we see is meant to reveal His majesty and invite us to worship and stewardship. So, ayon po sa Hebrews chapter 11 verse 3, by faith, we understand that the universe was formed of God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, earth can be young or old. So, ibig sabihin may iba't ibang pananaw tungkol sa edad ng mundo. Some believe the earth is young based on a certain interpretation of scripture, while others say it is very old based on scientific findings. Ang mahalaga, kahit magkaibang views, we can still appreciate that God is behind creation. And next is evidence points to the creator. So kapag tinignan mo ang mundo, nature, galaxies, animals, even the complexity of humans, makikita mo ang signs na may intelligent creator. Parang artwork na may artist creation reflects its maker. And next is, everything is meant for our enjoyment. So God designed creation not just for function, pero para ma-enjoy din natin, like beautiful landscapes, delicious fruits, diverse animals, and even seasons. It shows His goodness and love for us. And sa applications naman, trust God's power to create just by His spoken word. So kung kaya niyang likhain ng universe by simply saying, let there be, then kaya niyang i-handle ang concerns natin. His power gives us confidence sa bawat challenge. And next is treat all of creations as God fingerprints. So every part of creation, mountains, ocean, plants, people reminds us of God. Kapag nakakita tayo ng kagandahan sa paligid, we remember His creativity and presence. And take care of our planet and its environment. So dahil creation is God's masterpiece, we should be responsible stewards. So, ibig sabihin, huwag mag-waste, be mindful sa pollution, conserve resources, and support ways to protect nature. Caring for earth is a form of worship dahil inaalagaan natin ang regalo ni God. And ayun lamang po, maraming salamat.